Oh, MoJo with the cane. Oh, MoJo's trying to get back into control. Oh, with the DDT right on the floor. Oh no.
Beavis. What do you got, boy?
Oh, with the sweep with the cane. MoJo's down. Oh. Oh, back to the leg. Oh my god. Beavis with brutally murdering MoJo's leg some more. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. This hurts just watching it. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, right off the head again. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. There's that same thing that MoJo tried to take out Beavis' head with. Oh, right. Oh my god, right off. Oh my god, his face bounced right off the thing. The pole. Oh no. No, don't do this. Oh. Oh. I guess that worked. His leg is tied to the pole and Beavis can just walk out right now. Oh, he doesn't have to do this. He's already won. Beavis has already won. He just wants to torture him even more now. What? Oh, he's making him suffer. MoJo might be knocked out. We might have a new North American champion. Oh my god. Oh. No, be torturing him even more. Are you kidding? This is a little... What is he? Beavis? Are you... Excuse me? Is this something you would see out of fucking Saw or something? What the... Oh. Oh no, this reminds me of someone. This just reminds me of someone. Oh my... Oh. Oh, there's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. Oh my god. His adrenaline is rushing like hell. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's five. Oh, he's dead. MoJo's officially dead. Oh my god. No! Oh. Shh. Oh, the main title's right there. Oh, no way. Is he... Oh. No way. No. Oh. Oh. 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, your new North American champion, Beavis Grant. Oh my god. Oh my god, what? That was brutal.
I'm not done.
Oh, Beavis. Oh my god. He's back. Don't tell me he's not done. Don't tell me he's not done. Oh. Oh, with the kick to the face.
Jimmy, where are you?